1959-1960 Cadillac power antenna. Manufacturer is Pioneer. Serial number PA42020. Building service available. Run-up test. Antenna mast extending and retracting. Continuity cable connection to aerial mast. Continuity cable connection to aerial segments. Antenna mast to mast housing insulation. Using a digital voltmeter for checking continuity. And a charged battery of 12.87 volts. And a test stand which would give us our extension and retraction. Again, this is a run-up test for the 1959-1960 Cadillac power antenna, serial number PA42020. The building services are available. And the first test we're going to be doing is the run-up test. We're going to extend the antenna mast. And the clutch is slipping. It's normal. Retract the antenna mast. Quite fast. Okay, so that's mast extend. And that's the maximum work, travel, retract. And off. The next test will be a continuity test. The antenna cable to the antenna mast. I'm going to extend the mast a little bit. And we're going to test the continuity. It's to our ground, the DOV. And now we're going to test the antenna mast. Okay, we have continuity. So it's important to know that that is insulated from the body. So we're going to find a spot to ground this connection. And we can see that there is no short to ground. Connection from the cable to the mast is complete. Normal tone. Next test, we're going to be extending the mast and check the segments. Connection to the cable. This will go to your radio. To the mast, the first segment. Continuity. Next segment. Continuity. Finally, the top of the mast. Continuity. So that shows that when the mast is extended, you have connection to the cable, which goes to the radio, but not to the body ground. And here's a ground point, and we see that it's insulated. So there's no short to ground.